Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. And today's video is the continuation of my craft room tour / organization series. Yes, it's fall now and I decided to revamp and reorganize. So before, I used to have my die cuts in a big basket inside my Calyx unit. Well, that system didn't work for me because everything was lumped together and I couldn't see the dies and it was hard to reach. So I decided now to, why not put my dies where all my die cutting machines are. It makes sense, right? Everything is in one place. I go, I grab my machines, I pull the baskets, grab the die cuts, and then go to my crafty table, which is on the other side, and start paper cutting. I hope I'm not making you dizzy, but I just started my Halloween decor. Got these gorgeous skulls from Dollar Tree, kind of like Dia de los Muertos theme. And here have to have my memory decks cards, you know, Halloween theme, and some ornaments that I got at Joann Fabrics. So let's take a look at the top. I am going to raise my camera a little bit and I hope I'm not shaking. So the top, here's my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I have this signage that reads, "Fabulous is a full-time job." I guess I'm not fabulous because paper crafting is not my full-time job. So, and over here I have my Big Shot tool. Now let's go down to the second tier of this shelf. I have my Vagabond, my Cuttlebug, and in this basket, I have all my metal platforms, plates for my Vagabond and Big Shot. On the other basket, I have on top my Cricut mats and all my accessories for my Cricut. Manual, see, you guys can see the markers, wires, tools, etc. So it's very easy to reach. And now we are going to go down. Okay, so I lower my camera and here's this basket. You guys can see the basket. It's all my die cuts are standing, so it's easy for me to see what I have and it's easy to grab them. I don't have them in any particular order because I don't have that many, so it's very easy. I can just see here Daisy Blast, Regal Crest. I don't need to label them, just see them. And I have them inside these Dollar Tree little baskets. And on this side I have my Christmas mover and shapers, dies from Team Holtz, bows, Sizzix, a Santa here. So it's very easy. And now let's take a look at the other one. The other one has like a collection of metal dies from a company, used to be called Quick Cuts, and it was purchased by another company, and now that company owns Silhouette, Cameo, and etc. So these are like really old. I would say 2007, 2006, something like that. So yeah, that was a time where I used to live in Tampa, Florida, and I used to go to Whimso Doodle, which is one of the greatest scrapbooking multimedia store in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's just, I miss that store a lot. So okay, so now let's move to the corner here. So I went to a craft show on May and I decided to buy this tonic. These are albums. This is another way of storing your thin metal dies, and they are like magnetic. So I have here some of my little dies that I have bought, and so it's not full. So I have plenty of room to grow on this album. So I think this is a really good way of storing your little dies, very thin metal dies. Keep them in these albums. And then this other album is the same. I have metal dies from Quick Cuts, and underneath you are seeing this case. I know it looks like a makeup trunk. Well, guess what? It's not makeup. It's the Quick Cuts machine. Yes, I have my Quick Cuts machine, and I'm gonna show you the machine here. So this is a machine. It's my pretty machine that I use for the dies that are in this basket. So Quick Cuts. Yeah, that company got sold. I forgot the name of it, but that company now owns the Cameo, Silhouette. They're doing more of the digital cutting machines. So my Quick Cuts goes back here. The albums, if I want to reach for the little metal dies, I come here and grab them. And this other one. So I am going to try to see this new method of organizing my metal dies, how it will work for me, and I will let you know probably in a couple of months. Okay, so let's go up. Okay, so we're moving up. And this is it. So this is my station where I have all my die cutting tools and dies for the Big Shot, Vagabond, Cuttlebug, and Quick Cuts. So let me know down in the comments below what you like and how do you store your dies. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.